I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Unity and Visual Studio Code. Do this now so nothing blocks you later. Once installed, open your Unity project and go to Edit Preferences External Tools to select Visual Studio Code as the external script editor. Make sure you also install the CHash extension and the debugger for Unity extension inside VS Code. These are required. This prepares both ends. Unity will generate project files, and VS Code will recognize Unity APIs. Proceed when both tools report installed. Next, you force Unity to generate correct project files so VS Code reads Unity references. In Preferences External Tools, enable generation for embedded, local, and packages. csproj files, then use Assets Open CHash project, or simply double-click any script to trigger regeneration. Once done, open the project folder in VS Code and allow Omnisharp to initialize. This loads Unity assemblies for IntelliSense. If Omnisharp struggles, restart VS Code. Make sure Finally, you attach the debugger and verify the connection. In VS Code, open the Run view, choose Attach to Unity, then start play in the Unity editor. Set breakpoints in your CHash scripts. Once you press play, the debugger should show Debugger Connected and stop at breakpoints. If it does not, regenerate project files from Unity, restart both Unity and VS Code, and confirm the CHash and debugger for Unity extensions match supported versions. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.